If you're a broker owner, team leader, new agent, or seasoned agent, get on my calendar down below at the end of this video if you want to explore how eXp Realty is obsessed with your success. I'd love to partner with you at eXp Realty and help you grow your real estate business. Now, let's go ahead and get into today's video. All right, guys, today's video, real cool thing that I just figured out. And if you already knew this, feel free to comment down below. Hey, dummy, this is old news. Well, it's new to me, so I wanted to share it with you. So if you want to post multiple posts in Twitter, the way I've been doing it is I would select right here. I would I would click right here and I would post it and then I would schedule it right here. And it took a little while. It took longer than I wanted it to. So I was trying to figure out how to post more quickly and how to post more efficiently. That way we can get posts out to our social media platforms, aka show our worth to the market, and then our market of course would want to work with us and buy or sell houses. Am I right? That's the whole reason we're social on social media, to get business, to stay top of mind, and then also friends and family, staying in touch, stuff like that. But a majority of us are social on social media to get business. So the new way is I went over here to more and I clicked more, and then I went to Creator Studio, and then I clicked Media Studio. Okay, and that took me to this page. Uploaded those stories, those reels right here. So that's what I did. Now, watch this. All I've got to do to make a tweet out of one of these is click on it, and it gives me this option right here. Okay. Now, of course, let's write something cool and catchy. This is the Seminole real estate market. So, depending on what market you're in, you'll want to do your own similar style post. So, I've got a Google Doc form that has all of my hashtags. So, I go to my Seminole hashtags and I go into my media library and I hit enter twice. Then I push Control V, and now I've got my base hashtags there. And so, also, I need to do something that is about the video that draws the person in, right? So what I'm going to do right here is just put moving to Oklahoma, moving to Seminole, Oklahoma, and love these parks because the video is about parks. Click here to see, click here, and then I went over to my KV core and I built a quick what is it called? IDX squeeze page. I built a quick IDX squeeze page right here about Seminole, so I'm just going to copy it to my clipboard, and of course always double check that the squeeze page you build with your KV core website actually works. Okay, perfect. That one works. So then I go back over here, click here, arrow, drop the link to see available homes. So right there, moving to Seminole, Oklahoma, and love these parks because the video that I made, my last long form content video in Seminole, was about the parks. Click here, arrow, and then the IDX squeeze page, and then to see the available homes. Okay, and then I've got my hashtags down below, right there. Let's go ahead and put a house right there. And then I'm going to put a moving truck right here. So, moving to Seminole, Oklahoma, love these parks. Click here to see available homes. And then I've got my hashtags and I've got my state requirement saying that I'm a real estate agent. Now I'm going to copy all this. Okay. So, copy it and then go ahead and schedule this tweet for, let's go with Sunday. And then 1:14 p.m. is fine. So, just save it right there. And then done. So now that tweet is scheduled. So go back and look at your already scheduled tweets. scheduled posts. So we're going to go back and look at our scheduled posts. So here are our scheduled posts. Looks like I have one on Sunday the 26th. And then it looks like I'm just double checking my calendar here, guys, to see what I've already got scheduled. Looks like Fridays. Those are Friday tweets. Okay. So now that you've scheduled that one, you check to see what tweets you already have scheduled, and then schedule out the rest of the posts for that month, guys. Like schedule a Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday post for the next 4 weeks. Schedule a Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday post for the next 4 weeks based off long form content that you've already made. You've put it into Opus Clip. You've taken the Opus Clip and then you've uploaded it into the Twitter Media Studio, and then you built the little tweet, you copied it, and then you built another one. So let's go ahead and build another one. So right here, we're going to build another one. That simple. That simple. Schedule it. I did that Sunday. I'm going to do Tuesday. Schedule. Done. See how quick this is? Post. Schedule. Done. See, I'm just flying through these tweets. These tweets are all going to be scheduled. They're going to drop for me, so I don't have to worry about it. Done. So I've got those. Let's go ahead and do this one. This is how easy it is, guys. 2 weeks worth of tweets done. If I hadn't have been showing you guys how to do them, these would have been done in like, I don't know, 10 minutes. So be sure to use the X Media Studio when you're scheduling your tweets. That way you can make sure that you're social on your social media and it's not something that you're banging your head against the wall every single day trying to remember to do. Just set one day of the week aside to schedule all your Facebook posts for the month, all the Twitter posts for the month. Set like 3 hours aside. You could do all this in 3 hours on both those platforms with the scheduling feature that I showed you on the last video for the Meta bulk uploads, and on this video for the Twitter, aka X, schedule bulk media uploads, social media tweets on Twitter. So if that's awesome, guys, if you found value in that, be sure to give the video a thumbs up so that other agents know that this is out there so that they could use it to get more business too. Guys, there's so much business out there. None of us can handle it all. So spread the wealth, spread the knowledge. And of course, guys, as always, I'm looking for 47 more broker owners, team leaders, new agents, or seasoned agents. I want to partner with you at eXp Realty. If you've got 10 minutes, get on my calendar down below, book a call for 10 minutes. We'll watch a short video together, and then I'll be able to answer all your questions about how eXp Realty is obsessed with agent success. What Glenn Sanford has built over here at eXp Realty is mind-blowing. It's about the agents. It's not about the franchise. It's not about the broker owner. It's about the agents. Let's take your business to the next level, and I'd love to be there to help you out along the way. This video that's popping up right there, that video too, YouTube thinks that you might want to watch that video. That video right there. YouTube thinks that it might be a good video for you to watch. It might have been the last video, or it might be another video that you've got a question about because those supercomputers know everything. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next video.